In this video, I will teach you how to use Salesforce integration with Lusha. This integration helps you enrich your contacts, save time on prospecting, and keep your CRM data accurate and up to date. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the website lusha.com on your browser. And then you just have to log in using your credentials right here on the top right corner. But if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free or choose a plan that fits your needs. And once you're logged in, you can just navigate to integrations in the dashboard. And in here, you'll see the option Salesforce integration right here. You just have to click on it on the connect right here and then follow the instruction to connect your Salesforce account. You may need to log into Salesforce and allow permission so that Lucia can access your CRM data. And after connecting, you can start using Lucia directly within Salesforce. You can enrich your contacts by opening a Salesforce contact or lead. You'll see a Lucia panel. You can click Find Email and Phone to automatically retrieve verified contact information. You can also save to Salesforce. Once Lucia finds the data, you can click Save to CRM. This updates your contact record instantly, saving you manual entry time. You can also use Lucia to enrich multiple leads at once. Just select multiple contacts in Salesforce and choose Bulk Enrich, which adds verified emails and phone numbers to all selected records. Lucia will alert you if any of your enriched contacts become outdated, helping maintain accurate and actionable CRM data. Lucia integration works best with Salesforce Lightning, but you must always double check enriched data before sending emails or calling to ensure accuracy. And the integration saves hours of manual data entry and increases your outreach efficiency. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.